Hi, my old friend. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. Today, I'm making another video on all of my some of my previous analysis. You may call this the review video of my previous analysis, and hopefully, you all are benefited from my videos and learn from my videos, and also those who are trade, they also benefited from my analysis too. And this all are I am video making for educational purpose. Hope you all enjoy and benefited. And I all gives my I will give the link of my previous videos which I analysis today. Then you can also correlate of previous video and this video also. Anyway, let's start. This is the Ambuja cement. Ambuja cement price I analyzed at 111.20 when price was 259.70. After that, price hike 265.30, and now after this high last 2 days it's corrected from that levels, and at this moment 237 to 240 levels is the very vital for the support region. I mean, and if it's sold, then again is showing the bullishness again. If it's sold, the 237 to 240 levels, if price hold. I analysis this bar and this date, and after that analysis, the 2 days is high, but not cross this high. After then, last 2 days is corrected from that level, and now it's hold these levels 240 to 237 levels, 240 to 237 levels. Then it's again try to uptick from here, and this is the Hayatta fire bottom formation is Ambuja cement create, and this is the upper trend line. You all see this is the, so this price is still in a very high probability for another bullishness. So short term it may give the another higher top. So we, for a short term trader, is if they hold, then they can get another bullishness from here also. The second chart, Apollo Pipes. That's also I analysis at 1st November 111.20. Price then at this bar 458 levels. After that, and this is the breakout you see, and it sold the breakout levels. And after that, after my analysis date, it's rise and is high at a 605 and close in between 580 to 585 levels. So Apollo pipes also give the good return. It may correct, but it is also a very give the very short term return in very short span of time. Another bullishness may come, but it may correct for from these levels. Some correction may give after then after this price hold, then it can give the another bullishness from here also. Is the Apollo pipes. I will give the all I offer all these previous videos link I will give the in description box, then you can correlate also. This is the review video I am making. Hope you all enjoy. This is the Bajaj Finance. This is the Bajaj Finance chart. It's looking very awesome. After a prolonged fall, its price hold there and and give a higher bullishness. And after this resistance, 3, 1, 2, and 3 resistance, and then fall again. The third times after this third times is the maximum probability to break these levels at this point of time. Fourth attempt, maximum time break the price. So we are looking for this breakout. This is the maybe the 6,700, 6,800 levels or 6,600 levels. This may be in this area. This may be break at the in this rise, hopefully. So Bajaj Finance Service analyst at 410 4 October 20. Price was at that time 6053 levels in this area. This is the bar of this analysis date. Now after this analysis data, the next day is create 6150 levels, but after then this date fall. After this correction, it holds holds the upper trend line. This is a strong movement now we can get from here. This is a W formation also created here, so we are very bullish now. Bajaj Finance Service is short term, it can achieve the 6,600 levels, and it may break, and we can get another near about 8,000 levels. We can get 7,500 to 8,000 levels we can get if break and sustain these levels. So now we get a fresh momentum for upward direction. Hopefully this will continue and get a higher return from here also. Now next chart, 15/7/20 analysis date of Dr. Reddy. I analyzed this Dr. Reddy chart at 15/7/20 July month, and that time price was 4036 levels. After this 21/9/20 price appreciate from here to here. You just see this is the 5512 levels is appreciated. Price create a high at 5512 levels. So Dr. Reddy also give a good return from 4036 levels to 5512 levels within 2 months. The short term return, we can get a good return from here. And Dr. Reddy, you all see this is the very good chart showing. It's also a, you can say it's a box type of trading is Dr. Reddy. And this, if this price hold these levels, and another bullishness may come in coming weeks or coming days or coming months, we can say. So still now we are very bullish for this Dr. Reddy also. I give this I share this share the previous, I will share the previous video of Dr. Reddy which I analysis in my description box. You can see my in my description box also. I will share this video previous video of Dr. Reddy in my description box. You can all see. Then you can correlate this chart and that chart also. Anyway, next chart. This is the Hindustan Unilever, which I analyzed at the same date of Dr. Reddy. This is the 15/7/20 price was 2275. After that price I analyzed here after this breakout, but price after that high 2350 within 2 to 3 days, but not given the good return from that levels. After this 2350 high, price go down from that levels. So this is chart is not working. It's now sideways movement going in Hindustan Unilever. So this chart is not working, and even at this moment also not showing any bullishness, but prices hold these levels. If this price hold these levels and again price cross above these levels, then we think about this share, not at this moment. If price cross another time 2220 levels, then we think about this chart in this chart or Hindustan Unilever, not at this moment. As the holding is this position is good, but not I am going to take any fresh position in this Hindustan Unilever. Hopefully you all understand. So I am giving I analyze all those charts which are giving the good return, and also I am showing this chart which are not giving the good return also. Next chart, Philips Carbon. Yes, recently I am analyzing this chart 25 10 20 at my means 25 October. I analysis this chart. Philips Carbon, then the price was 149 levels in this area. After that price rise 155 levels within 2 to 3 days, and the next trading session, and now again move and then I corrected from that level. This is the price even at this moment also it's above the these resistance levels, so it's a good sign. And price also making higher top higher bottom, this is not violated, so price is a price bullishness also intact. So we are very in coming weeks it's also showing the bullishness, and in short term we can get a big bullishness from here also. I will share this previous chart on Philips Carbon in my description box. You can also see there and correlate this chart from this that chart, and this is looking very good. This is the bullish bar created in this last day, and hopefully we get 170.75 levels to 185 levels in coming weeks or coming days. So hopefully we get a good return from here in short term also. This is the Philips Carbon. Next chart, Polyplex. I analyzed that at 25 10 20. Polyplex Corporation also I analyzed was at the same date of Philips Carbon. This is the Polyplex Corporation chart, and that chart when price was 781 levels at this moment. Sorry, at this area. After that price, sorry, in this area. This is the bar 781. After that day, after next day, the price create a high at 781 levels. It's giving within a 1 day is giving the good return, but after that the Nifty also falls and the price also falls from this Philips Carbon. After this correction, price hold these levels. Still is this is the intact of that higher top higher bottom formation. Now it's is this, you can see this is the cup, and it's now maybe create a handle formation. After this when it's break up from these levels of level, then it can get another higher top formation, and it's create a good free if its goods also give good return, maybe 900 levels we can touch in coming weeks or coming months. And monthly chart also showing this is a very strong, so we can say it's a good sign for this stock for the upward direction. And if price hold above 580.31 levels, then we can get and if price hold and close above 831 levels, then it will give a good return from here also. This is the area have to cross. This is the rounding formation, and you can say this is the cup formation. If this handle is create from here and then is create a good return from, we can get a good return from this Polyplex Corporation. Monthly also giving showing the strength, so we are weekly also showing the strength, and daily also showing the strength, so we are in very intact for this chart and for the bullishness. So we should hold this stock for the upward direction. Is the review video I am making. I analyze the first and giving the review. Hope you all enjoy. I also give this. I will share this in my description box of the previous video of the Polyplex. Please watch that video and correlate this video, then you can understand of my analysis and everything. Hope you all benefited from that also. This is the G Entertainment analysis. This is J Entertainment price chart. You see this is a prolonged fall. After that it's hold and create a W formation, but not cross this downtrend line. This is the negative sign of this G Entertainment. I told to all of you in this in my previous video also that if not cross, then the long-term bullishness not coming in this chart. If this long-term downtrend line, if it's cross and hold above that levels of the downtrend line, then the price G Entertainment create a very going to be a very bullishness. So we have to look forward for that this price have to cross this line of this downtrend line, and if that price cross and sustain above that line, then the long-term bullishness will come. Is the W formation create this for the good sign at this moment. It's also holding the price but not is holding the price low but not create any bullishness, but we have to stick on that with the stop loss of this area and maintain to buy at these levels and or accumulate this stock for the upper levels. If a risky trader can accumulate here, or if anyone wants to safe side, then or 100% sure side wants to go, then they have to wait for the cross above the trend line. If the price cross and sustain above that the long term downtrend line, then they can again take any fresh position to or buy position to for the long term. So we have to wait and wait for this breakout. But those who hold, they can also hold in this uh, uh, with this price if not cross or below trading in these levels of this area low. And I will also share this video in my description, previous video of G Entertainment in my description box. Hope you all correlate of this video too. So I share an analysis with my view of my previous analysis, and this is my review video. Hope you all benefited from my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Then I can reach to all of your friends, and they can also benefit from my video too and from my analysis too. And thanking you to all of you again for watching my video. Please always watch my description box and this review video, then you can correlate the analysis, and hopefully you all benefited. This is my third review video. Hope you all benefited. Thanking you to all of you again.